Now please open WS3, right? I'm going to tell you about question 1 and question 2, right? Word families. Right, children? Now what you have to do, let's read question 1. Circle the words with the ending sound you hear. Again I'll repeat. Circle the words with the ending sound you heard. Children, now I'll speak 3 sounds. One sound for this, second sound for this and the last sound for this. आपको क्या करना है, जो मैम साउंड आपको बोलेंगी, राइट, आपको उस पर ध्यान देना है, सुनना है उसको ध्यान से और देखना है वो कौन से लास्ट में मतलब जो एंडिंग साउंड है वो कौन सी सेम है, राइट. ए के लिए मैम अलग साउंड बोलेगी, बी के लिए अलग और सी के लिए अलग. आपको देखना है कि वो एंड में कौन से वर्ड में है. देन यू हैव टू सर्किल दैट वर्ड, राइट. सो फॉर दिस, फॉर ए, I am going to speak the sound, so please be ready with your pencil and eraser, right. In A, the sound is G. The sound is for this, for A, the sound is G. So now you need to see in which G is coming. First is this, then this. There is no G in this or this, right? That means only 2 words you need to circle, right. For B, I am going to speak the sound P. For this, the sound is P. Okay, please circle the P sound, right. Now for C, the sound is B. For this, I am giving you the sound B. आपको देखना है ब साउंड लास्ट में किस वर्ड में है, देन यू हैव टू सर्किल दैट वर्ड. ओके, नाउ द क्वेश्चन 2, सर्किल द वर्ड्स विद द मिडिल साउंड यू हियर. सो यहाँ पर तो आपने एंड की साउंड को देखा. हेयर यू विल सी द मिडिल साउंड, मीन्स दिस, दैट कम्स बिफोर बिगनिंग एंड ending sound. Between beginning and ending sound, that is called middle, right. So for A, the sound is O. For this, I am giving you the sound O. You need to see, first I'll do like P O T, K O T, got. So first I'll do only first, other remainings you have to do. Now for this, just a minute. For B, for B, I am going to speak the sound A. For this, the sound is A, right. You need to circle where the A sound is coming, right, in the middle. Now the last, for the last is, the sound I am giving you for the last is A. You need to see where the A sound is coming between the word, right. So children, please complete it by yourself. Okay, now it's time to start whole words. Okay children, these are the whole words, right. I'll repeat, you have to speak with me. See, there, there, tell, tell, also, also, have, same, same, was, it, went, sit. I hope you all have repeated after me. Okay, now children, please open again WS3, whole words. Okay, question 3, read each sentence and circle the whole words from the box, right. Children, we have some sentences here, right, and we have some whole words in the boxes. Now what you have to do, you need to read each sentence. आपको एक एक सेंटेंस रीड करना है बाबू, है ना. और फिर आपको क्या करना है, फिर आपको जो वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं आपको देखना है वेयर दीज वर्ड्स आर कमिंग इन विच सेंटेंस, देन यू हैव टू सर्किल द वर्ड्स, right. Whole words you need to circle. Okay children.